Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Just responding to your recent inquiry. I think you found this on Carfax.com. It's this nice diamond white Infiniti QX56. And I just want to confirm its availability. And don't have a number to reach yet. And I'm trying to keep you ahead of other folks that are considering it. And that's 352-694-1234. I'm going to send you an email with this little clip in it. And if you would turn it around to me and let me answer your trade or finance question. If you're helping a family member, anything that they would need to know. Otherwise, we'll just set up a time to come in and take a closer look. And hopefully next time we talk, we're got you standing by that mirror. I'm taking a picture as you get ready to head home. This is Chris. That's our website and phone number. And I think you found us on Carfax.com. And I'm here to help. Just respond, please. Let me know if you found something fantastic. But if this one, after doing your homework, is something that you would like to move forward with, it is on sale. I think there's $2,000 off right now. And it's just as clean as you see. Thanks and have a great evening. Thanks for your minute here.